We were invited by our relative to come to his farmhouse to spend a day. We are on the way. It's a narrow passage, and hopefully, it will take another half an hour to reach his place. This place is around 220 kilometers from Zillenhut city. Before we reached, he had already slaughtered the lamb, and everyone was busy preparing a special dish, wrapping lamb liver with caul fat. This dish is very popular among all Mongolians. Name of this dish they call shuuz, or shuuz. They just season it with salt and grilled or roasted. Here she cooks traditional Mongolian food, made with lamb intestines, stuffed with blood. I'm the only one who isn't helping them. Slice a tiny piece first to adjust to the flavor. The fat mellows the liver's intensity. This is the dish, why I'm here to challenge something new in my life. Liver and fat, or in Mongolian language they call shuuz. Combining traditional nomadic practices with modern green energy. How cool is that? In across rural Inner Mongolia, using cow yak horse dung for green energy and used for cooking fuel, electricity generation, heat for winter survival in harsh climates. I must say this dish is the best among everything I ate here. This is the best part of Mongolian culture. They sat together while eating, and many thanks to my brother to invite me here. I enjoyed this occasion,